Hello and welcome to this video on the Razertip SL3 pyrography wood burning power supply. We're going to look at features, functionality, and just kind of dig in and see what this thing can do. Alright, so the SL3 belongs to the SL series, which includes the SL1 single pen unit and the SL3 triple pen unit. What does triple pen mean? It means you can hook up 3 pens at once, toggle between them with their own unique heat setting from one tip to the other. If you're doing a project that requires various tips, it's a great feature to have. You just go from one pen to the other. You don't have to adjust the heat. Just pick up where you left off with that tip last. Both machines in the SL series also come with the Razertip 3-year unconditional warranty and an excellent high heat range of 1650 Fahrenheit or about 900 Celsius, depending on the tip you're using. But let's dive in now and take a closer look at how this thing works. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the back here. The power cord that's supplied with the machine plugs in there. This is your main power switch. You turn on there. Gets the front lit up once you do that. So let's look at the front. There's 3 pen jacks. They are unique heat settings displayed here on the LED display, and the heat setting is adjusted from the dial here. This is not a temperature, this is a heat setting. From 01 to 99, you can adjust your heat setting. And here is the toggle between the pen selections. You can see we go from one to the next. We've just got them set up from 30, 40, and 50, and we will power one right now without a pen, and it will blink blue, showing that there's nothing connected. And if we switch to another one, it just goes to white, and you have to power each one as you go to it. So it's either or, toggle between, but it remembers the setting that you last used. Let's hook up a pen to the first jack and see how it works. On a setting of 30 with this particular pen, there's not going to be a lot of heat generated, but it will leave a light mark. You'll always want to make sure that even if the tip isn't hot, visibly burning, it's still probably too hot to touch. Let's go up to 35. A little more obvious. Let's go up to 40. Small increments on the dial are very helpful. Sometimes you only need to go 1 or 2. Heat settings over 50, the internal heat fans will kick in and start cooling off the insides. Let's see what we can do if we turn it up all the way up to 99. We get red hot, and let's see what that does. Okay, so yeah, lots of heat available at 99 and all the way down as well. Let's try some other pens here. There they are. We're going to toggle between them now. So if you adjust the heat setting back down to 70, it takes about a half a second for it to store that setting internally. So if you do shut it off right after you turn it, it won't save it. So you have to give it a second. But we can toggle between 40, 50, back to 70, and let's see what the first pen, I've switched pens on this one. On 70 even, lots of heat. if we toggle, this one just automatically shuts off. And the second one is selected. But you have to power it. And that's at 40. So we're back to a more even and lower heat setting. Let's switch over to the third jack. And again, 50 with this tip is going to be fairly hot. And as you're burning, if you just need a little more heat, just burn and adjust as you go. If your tip is too hot and you want to turn it down, it's always good to wait just to let the tip cool a little bit and readjust to the new setting. And that's how you toggle between them. Switching back to the white pulsing LED showing that it is ready to go. Toggle between them. Using this one again, if it's on, blue light solid. If I unplug the pen, the light will blink, indicating that there's a break in the connection. If a tip is broken or something is unhooked, it will blink and let you know. As soon as you reestablish the connection, the light goes solid again. And it is hot, so it stays powered the whole time. A couple other things. If you use the machine for 60 minutes straight, it will automatically shut off if you haven't changed the heat setting at all. That's also a great feature. If you happen to leave it on when you walk away from your desk, it will shut off after 60 minutes as well. So that is the basics on the Razertip SL3. Also check out the SL1 video, see how the units compare. Let us know your favorite features. If you have any questions, reach out. Like and subscribe and share, and we'll see you around.